Yeah. See, the LTT has been banned by the Indian government, and the reasons they have cited are totally wrong. One of the main reasons for the ban is that the LTTE is trying to annex Tamil Nadu, the part of India, along with the proposed Elam. It is totally false. I have proved with evidence what the resolution of Vattakotai of Sandesh Selva says. The Heroes' Day speech of Prabhakaran on every 27th November every year. In that speeches, he has clearly mentioned that Tamils of North and East and Tamils of Elam origin who live in so many countries, they should become part and parcel of the proposed Elam. So, the crux of the edifice which has been built by the central government crumbles, totally crumbles when their main argument is shattered. The ban should be lifted. For that purpose, I am trying. Because of the Indian ban, some other countries were influenced by the Indian government to ban the LTTE in some other countries. But even then, the US has allowed தமிழீழ சுதந்திர தமிழீழ அரசு வெளியிலே இருக்கக்கூடிய அரசாக ருத்ரகுமாரன் தலைமையிலே அவர்கள் மாநாடு நடத்துவதற்கும் பிலடெல்பியாவிலே அனுமதி கொடுத்தார்கள். அவர்கள் அலுவலகம் வைப்பதற்கும் அனுமதி கொடுத்தார்கள். ஆகவே உலக நாடுகளிலெல்லாம் போய் பிரச்சாரம் செய்ய வேண்டும் என்றால் இந்தியாவிலே இந்த தடையை நீக்கினால்தான் அது சாத்தியமாகும் என்பதற்காக நான் the ban should be lifted. This is my aim. I have been trying from day one. In every tribunal I appeared, I have placed my arguments. I have cross-examined the witnesses, and I am hopeful one day the truth will triumph. The truth will succeed. For that purpose, this is a crusade to save the Tamils of Elam and see the Tamil Elam is emerge. For that purpose, I have dedicated a part of my life undergoing imprisonment for more than 19 months, and so many struggles I have faced. So much criticism has been abused against me. I do not care. My heart is pure and clear. I am clear in my mind that I have to fight for the cause of the Elam Tamils. That is my duty as the disciple of Arinyar Anna.